Hold start. Welcome back, everybody. So today is an awesome day. Super excited. We're finally modding the STi. We're going to be putting on a catback exhaust only today. Since the car still only has like 200 miles on it, I haven't even broken the car in yet. So I don't want to do anything crazy with the engine as far as modifications go. And then we're also doing a short throw shifter kit by Cobb with the front and rear bushings as well. So that's going to be pretty, I'm super excited to try that out. The shifter from the factory is already fantastic as is, so I'm really curious to see how amazing or how different actually it's going to be with the Cobb short throw shift kit. So those are the only two mods that we're going to be doing today. There are a few other modifications that are still sitting and waiting. I just want to wait and wait for the weather to get a lot better here in Massachusetts. It's still on and off snows, and with the salt, you know, being thrown on the streets and whatnot, I don't want to risk, you know, driving around with a full carbon lip kit everywhere. So we'll wait for that, and same for the other modifications. I don't want to say too much. I'll let you guys know when the time comes, just to keep the surprise going. So for now, let's head out.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. Walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, we're at ProSpec Autosport, dropping off my car to get the exhaust and short throw shift kit on there. So let's head in. That's all going in my car today. No, it's fine. No, there's plenty of light in here. My God, it's so clean under here. 200 miles. I don't think I've ever seen a car so clean under here. case anybody here was wondering what it looks like under an STI. It's never gonna look this clean again. Like I was saying, it only has 200 miles on it because I pretty much just bought the car and I really couldn't wait to start modding the car. So we're basically gonna replace the exhaust catback. So from here back, we're gonna be putting a Greddy exhaust on. All right, so let's see what's inside the Greddy box here. Most important part, the license plate. Welds are super nice on these. Greddy logo. They have Greddy logos everywhere. Alright. It's a comparison between stock and Greddy. Crap. Not crap. Shiny. So that's the Greddy compared to the OEM. There's the mid pipe connected to the Y pipe in the back, and then the muffler tips, which are massive. Okay, let's unbox the Cobb short throw shift kit here. So, these are the oops. Okay. So, first things first. Stickers. Horsepower. Then there's the actual short shifter. Oh, it's nice and heavy, actually. It feels pretty nice, not gonna lie. It's a nice, solid feeling. Got the tools and all the nuts and bolts in here. Necessary. And we have bushings here. It's the rear one and the front shifter bushing. So These will go in the front, much stiffer than the squishy, soft OEM bushing. So this should give for a crisper shift. I think this is some lubricant, I believe. Not quite sure. And more stickers. And the rear bushing here. Yeah, these are a lot more solid than the OEM bushings. More stickers. Thank you, Miguel. Oh, I didn't even notice that. It's a stamp on the bottom of these. I didn't know that. Okay, so basically here's the finished product of the short shifter. See if I can get a good angle. So we basically have it reduced down to the shortest length and the shift knob is actually an aftermarket shift knob that I put on there. I had for my last 2013 STI, and I basically just kept rolling it forward on my 15 WRX and the current 17 STI. It's got a nice weight to it, but it is super short. May or may not change that in the future, but for now I'm enjoying how short it is. Let's see if I can get a first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. I want to give a huge shout out to ProSpec Autosport for helping me with this build. Huge shout out to Brian, you're the man for helping me out with this. I know the Cobb shifter was a little bit of a pain in the ass, but thanks for getting that done. Huge thank you for Greddy for providing me that awesome catback. I am in love with this catback. It sounds incredible. And a huge thanks to Cobb for providing the short throw shifter with the front and rear upgraded bushings. So I'm gonna continue driving this car and let you guys know how I feel long term about the parts I have on it. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks.
Yeah.